first job, HR badge unlocked. How's the ride been?
Honestly, Prerna, I must say it was much smoother than I expected. The entire Accelerate program at Sagility did not just really throw us in, they gave us entire planning. So when I say the TA team, the OD team, the buddies, the mentors, whoever were involved really planned it out very well, and we got real time projects. So for example, I was part of a group that was assigned to develop a clinical framework for location mapping for the entire company. So when I say that, we had to make the framework and also execute it at the same time. So it was like an on job training. And the campus to corporate jump was very smooth, and we did not feel a glitch at all.
You make Accelerate sound like it's some personal breakthrough. How's the journey been, Spill?
It definitely was. Jumping out of law school classes to HR workshops, straight into the boardroom at the fourth week was absolutely crazy. Like I told you, we were working on a real time project, and it was a cross functional team. There were people from operations, HR, and different other teams. And Prerna, this is one which I have personal favorite. My team won the best presentation, and that still keeps me fueling till date.
It's so good to know when people are seen. And it's one of the most wholesome things I've heard in a while. Let's go to a cafe and maybe we can talk about it further.
Sure.
So what's something that you've learned about yourself and Anya lately?
Turns out that up until very recently, I had the need of having everything planned out and mapped. But now I trust my gut a lot more. Turns out all the emceeing that I've done during college has sharpened my biggest skill, which is being a communicator. And even at Sagility, I have hosted and emceed numerous events, whether it be Sagility Got Talent, Children's Day, or client events. And I've loved every bit of the mic drop at the end of the event.
So did you have any help when you were settling here or were you just winging it?
Prerna, I had the whole crew there, whether it be mentors from the entire Accelerate program, they all were there. And the best part of it was when the leaders remember your name, that's where you feel that you're valued.
And what makes you stop mid-scroll and think that this job is worth it?
Personally, I must say, when a new joiner happens to ping me and say that, hey, the onboarding was very smooth, I had no stops or pit stops in between, or let's say my idea, which I pitched in some very important meeting, was actually taken up and executed, I feel I'm building something very real here.
So what is that you would tell to your past self, the newly graduated Ananya?
I'll tell her that you have to ask a lot more questions. Say yes and MC if you have to, and I'll tell her that you have made it at the end.
So Ananya, I've known quite a bit about your work. What do you do apart from all of this?
So Prerna, apart from work, I like to do yoga, I like to bake cakes, and Netflix is something that I love to do all days. So even during the hustle and bustle of the week, Netflix is that what keeps me going sane.
And here we are, Sagility office, filter coffee fueled and edge organized.
Definitely.